So what you can also do is you can go ahead and then utilize comments inside of Google Vids and tag people, especially when you're working in collaboration with others. So to do that, let's say, for example, you can right click and then leave a comment. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and type in, let's say, for example, tutortube@gmail.com right here, just like this. I can just go ahead and assign this to the person right here and add in a comment. So let me just go around over here and I can get them a comment or an editor access as well. So I'm just going to go around over here and then say anyone with the link can comment, but let's say, for example, over here, this person can be an editor. So I can simply go ahead and then give it out as a comment access right there. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that this particular file will be shared with that other person. And you can also share it out with that other person from the share section if you wish. And now around over here, you can see that I have received an invitation right here, just like this. So it says video shared with you, and I can go ahead and edit out this project. So let's just go ahead and open this out right here, just like this. And you can see that Google Vids opens up just like this, as you can see right here. And now I can simply go ahead and then make changes right here. So you can see that I have a comment right here. So I'm just going to go around and then change this out right here. And as I change, you can see that dynamically, you can see that whatever changes I make right here onto this project is being changed around over here as well. And that is how you can utilize comments and collaborate in real time in Google Vids as necessary. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.